Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, that the weekly time frames, guys, as you see it here in that place, as you see 1W, that is main weekly time frame. So as you see, the one is the weekly candle, and if you remember the last week was we tell you here about that candle here, we tell you the market it's showing here a rejection because that pin bar here, and that's what it's showing now, that green candle here, it confirmed that. So let's hope the Bitcoin is going to break here, because over here, guys, as you see it here in that level here, we got a very stronger level. And as you see it last time, we been from here, every time we reject, till it came that big candle, that one of FTX, then it's breaking down. So now we are going to go till here, till that level here. Then we're going to see if that one here, that one is going to react like a resistance or is going to be broken. Till now the volume down, it's showing the volume is very low. That's why there is not a lot of people buying. So that one is something bad, guys. And as you see here, guys, look with me here, very close picture here, what I'm going to tell you. As you see in here, when it came the bulls, they came with a lot of candles, but when it came the bears, only 2 candles. They drop in all that long we taken here, guys. As you see it, the same thing here, 2 candles is only one would drop all that. Then here, same thing as you see it here. Look how many candles. Look at the bears candle, how big it is, guys. Now it's going to happen the same thing. That's why me I told you we are going to go just till here, till that level here. Then we're going to see if either we're going to break higher or we are going to go back down. So that level here, that one is the most important level, guys. That one here, it's very important level, that one. Picture is too clear? By the way, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos, every day 2 videos. And now we make a voting in our Telegram channel. We asking people if they want us to put every day 2 videos only about Bitcoin, or they want us to put 1 video analyzing for them 5 stocks or 5 blue chips from 5 sectors, plus 1 video analyzing for them the Bitcoin. And the voting it's being positive for 1 video for stock and 1 video for Bitcoin. So that's what we're going to start from tomorrow, I think. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, my friend. And you can even join us in Telegram if you want to be notified more quicker. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You've done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now here, guys, let me show you our my analysis or my chart, what I got me. As you see it, guys, I got here the downtrend or the lower of that wage here, the one here in the weekly. As you see it, every time as we touch it, we're reacting from it. And here, the one here with those dots, that where me, I believe in the Bitcoin is going to reverse. Till now, us, we're still in a downtrend, guys. We are not in an uptrend. Till now, we're still in a downtrend. Remember that. And let me show you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, that the lower of that wage here, as you see it, from here we started. Can even start it from here. Now we are in the lower of it here now. Now, either we're going to drop down and we're going to break it down. That's something very bad that no one wanted. But me personally, I think there is another drop, but it will not drop that much because we are very close to the halving cycle, and I'll show you all those things. Then we're going to come and we break here in the top, and if we break in here in the top, the first target of us is going to be here in the top, the last peak here. That's the first target for us, but that one is going to take some time, guys. So till now, also we're still in a downtrend here in the weekly, guys. Yes, I told you we are going to go till here, till that level here. Then after that, you're going to see it another drop. So make a close eye at those things. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go to see the economical data for tomorrow for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys. As you see that the economical data for tomorrow, as you see it here, we have something very special tomorrow, guys. We got in the 1:45 the ECB President Lagarde speech, or that one of the Euro Central Bank, she's going to speak. Then what we got, that one of UK and services PMI, because last week it came the manufacturing PMI. Then the most important one, guys, the most important one is that one. That one, guys, is the most important part of all the economic of USA. The last month we used to be 50, and also we've been believing it's going to fall down, but it doesn't. It's go up, guys. So the economic of USA, it's still very stronger. So us, we came from up till 50. The view is going to go higher, guys. Now, do you see here the forecasting of them is 53.1. That's something, it's slowing. If it kept like that, that is going to make the stocks to drop again. But let's wait in tomorrow, then we're going to come back to you. Plus here, guys, our table, the one every day us we follow it. People they been with us, they know those things. The one here, what it's showing to us, guys. All your stocks, they are red, and that's what me have been telling you, the waiting that ISM manufacturing of USA, because if you remember the last analysis what we told you about the unemployment rate. So all US stocks, they start the week red, guys. The only Dow Jones is a little bit green, plus 0.10. And another thing here, guys, our friend, the one also we follow it every time, is the VIX, guys. The VIX, it's still going below 20, guys. We are very, very lower now to break that 19 down. And that's something very good, guys. That's why me I decide to start putting for you videos about stock market. Because if you are an investor for long term, that's the right moment for you. That's the right moment. Believe me when I tell you that. Because that one, it's the measurement of scarcity, guys. That one is the measurement of scarcity. And that one which become below 20 is the right moment to start investing. Plus that one, the dollar index, it's still going down. But the ISM, if it came like how is the forecast in there, that 53.1, you're going to see it going up. And that's something bad, guys. So let's wait in the news for that week. And that week we got a lot of news, guys, because that one is the first week of the start of the month. So you need to make a very, very close eye at that week, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the daily to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the daily. From Friday, guys, as we tell you, we're going to stay sideways here. Like how it happened here. Same thing like how it happened here. Yes or no? So what we've been doing here, as you see, look at those candles here. One red, one green. One red and one green. Now what the view, guys? Tomorrow candle is going to tell us what's going to happen, guys. We need to wait in Monday candle what is going to tell us. If it came green, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling all the week. If it came red, you're going to see the Bitcoin going up all the week, guys. And believe me when I tell you that. Picture is too clear at what our analysis here in the daily, guys. What else we said here in the daily? Also we said like that. Also we got here that inside bar. You see that red candle here and that green candle here. Those ones when FTX collapse, guys. Tell now what the market is showing to you here in that level. It's showing to you also with just sideways, guys. There is nothing new here. And what me I told you we need to break either up or either down. If you want to enter short, it's need the market to come and to close below that level. If you want to enter long, it's need the market to come and to close above that level. Till now, us with just sideways market, guys. And I'll show you that in the previous video. You can go back and watch it. Now, my view, personally, I think the Bitcoin will go up till here. But we will see what's going to happen here. Because that one is the most important part here. What's going to happen in that level. Either we're going to break higher and we're going to go back inside, and that's something very, very good. And I'll show you that in the wake of what it meant. It meant that one here is the bottom. Another scenario, guys, we're going to come back till here. Then after that, we're going to come down again. And that's something very bad, guys. That meant over here, it's not the bottom. The Bitcoin, it will fall down more than that, guys. Picture is too clear to you, guys. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. As we enter from here, people they been with us. As we enter from here, we reach here to that peak. I told you, protect yourself here. Yes or no? That just 2 videos ago. And what did I told you? I told you, look here what the Bitcoin it give you here. I tell that to you in Friday, guys. I told you, look at that flag. It's the same thing. It's going to give you here another flag. It give you a flag here. Look at it. You judge it by yourself. You see a flag there? Yes, of course, we got a flag here, guys. Look at it. It's very clear flag. Now what we need to do to bring that line here, and we waiting the break to happen upward, guys. If it's breaking upward, also we're going to go till here, till that level here, or that last place here. And that one, I tell it to you as a level, because that one, we got it as a very stronger supply and demand zone. Picture is very, very, very simple, guys. There is nothing to be making things complicated for the people they following you. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Even the one we talk about it in the last video, guys. We tell you we got here a up channel like that. Look at it. Forget about the past. Forget about all that. Just focus it with me here. See here, we got a up channel. Yes or no? Focus it with me. See here that the high of the up channel the low of it here, over here another high. Now what the view? And that candle here, it's showing Bitcoin, it will fall down till here. If it touch here and doesn't break here and showing it will go upward, guys, that's a very good signal. The Bitcoin, it will continue upward. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario is the Bitcoin, it will break and break that one here down, guys. If it's break it here down, enter short with your eyes closed. If it's breaking here, enter short with your eyes closed. Remember that. Well, it's need to be the take profit here down. But don't go now and enter short. It's need to break here. Everything is too clear. And I'll show you something else here in the 4 hours, guys, for swing trading, not for long-term investment. I'll show you we got here a hidden divergence. We're going to come to it, but let me explain it to you. What did I told you? I told you it's need the Bitcoin to come and to break here that level or that last high. Did it break it? No, my friend. Look at it. It came here. It's showing here a pin bar. Pin bar, it's indicating the market is going to reverse from here. So now what should we do, guys? We need to wait. Either we're going to come and we're breaking higher here. You're going to know the Bitcoin will go more higher. Or another scenario is going to come and to break for us that level here. Look at it. Look. From that one and that one, you try to make an uptrend like that. Just like that. You bring a line and you put it like that. If it came and breaking here down, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you done. Please pause the video and smash the like button, helping us, guys. Support us. You know that channel with how to use growing up. Also, we don't earn any money from that channel, guys. Also, we just giving our time to analyze for you free, guys. So please support us. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, if you remember that one, when we be in here, I told you protect yourself and take some of the profit here. Yes or no? And we show you here, we got a hidden divergence like that. Let me show it to you in the chart for picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, look with me here, from that one here till that one here. What you seeing? And here, what you seeing? You got a hidden divergence, guys. You see it or no? Look from here to here. There is something not right here, guys. Look at it. You came to that one and you do it like that. What you see? And you came to that one here. What you see? Over here, the chart is going up. Over here, that indicator of us is going down. So there is a divergence, guys. Yes or no? And that one is a hidden divergence, guys. That one is something different. It's need to come here and to break. That one, it's meant continuation pattern or continuation divergence. Not like a classic or simple divergence. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what should we do here? Me personally, I still thinking it's going to come down till it will touch in that trend line here, because that's my view personally. I'm thinking Monday is going to come down and touch in here that trend line, then after that it's going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, and I'll show you all the scenarios still now. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we show you us, we are here at the overbought area. And what did I told you about indicators, guys? I told you those ones, they are just oscillators. They just confirm for you to enter short or to enter long. Don't base your trading about indicators, guys. Anyone you follow him, he base his trading about indicators, don't follow him. Because that person, he doesn't make any money from his trading. Believe me when I tell you that. And what did I told you guys here? I told you we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Should you enter short? No, guys. Yes, you got two things. You got a supply and demand zone and indicator. Both of them, they are. That one is it at the overbought. And we got a supply and demand zone is going to react here like a resistance. Should we enter short? No. That's the most important part, guys. Most important part is the price action. Look at that. It's need that one to come and to break here. If it doesn't break, there is no entry short, guys. It's my that one is going to stay here at the overbought, and you're going to see the price going up till 20k, guys. You don't need to base your trading about indicators, guys. Let me show you an example here. Look here, from that zone here, that indicator, it's enter here at the oversold area, yes or no? Look till where it went. See how much? Same thing applying here, guys. Same thing. Those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Also using them as a filter, not as an indicator to base your trading on it. And another thing here, what did I told you? That the level me I'm talking about, guys. We need the Bitcoin to come and to break up here. If we break up here, believe me, that one is the bottom. If we don't, there is no bottom yet, guys. I told you, it might you're going to see the Bitcoin come here, then after that it's going to come and to drop and to break for us that last low here. So that one, what is going to indicate into you, guys? That one is just a resting. Or it might is going to give you here a flag and you're going to come and calculating from here to down. Picture is too clear, guys. Nothing is too complicated here. Now, let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you here? Here in that zone. We made it like that. When it's breaking here, I told you enter long. Where you are now? You are in profit. And where you need to take profit, you just bring that one like that. The place where it's break, you make it like that. So the take profit of you, it needs to be here in that zone. But what should you do now? Now in that place, protect yourself. Take some of the profit and move the stop loss next to the 200 moving average. It might from here is going to drop. So take some of the profit, take 50%, and that 50% will left, move the stop loss with it. How we done from here, guys? If you remember, people to be with us, we're also enter long from here. Yeah, I remember it because I enter in it. It came here, I take 50%, then I move the stop loss up. It came here, I move it up till here because the stop loss of me is being hit here. But look how much I take. Now what should you do here? Our indicator is it here at the overbought area, guys? Yes or no? Got any price action here indicating for you to enter short, guys? Look with me here and look with me here. You got here a triangle, guys. If that one came and breaking down here, you enter short again. Because Monday is going to be a big volume, guys. Remember that. If it came here and breaking down here, you enter short, guys. Take profit where it needs to be here at that level here. See it or no? How I draw it from that one and that one. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you tomorrow after European market close. Bye for now, guys.